Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are returning, I appreciate you for being here. Seriously, I appreciate you. And if you are new here, just go ahead and subscribe because why not? And I want you guys to go ahead and share and comment on this video. And also feel free to go ahead and follow me on Instagram by scanning that QR code right there. And I'm just gonna let this video play. But before I let it play, I want you guys to know that this is like my first time buying like the pre-made Carne Asada mix from Whole Foods. And you guys, like, why did Whole Foods play with me like this? Like, I thought there was gonna be more in here. Like, look at this. It was like half veggie, like half meat, which is cool. But yeah, I wanted it to be like a quarter veggie and the other 75% meat. But yeah, and then I had to go in and just like cut the meat in smaller portions because they were just like too long. They were too long. But anyways, I'm gonna let the music play and then I'm gonna chat with you guys at the very end. And I also want to throw in that I actually hit these fajitas on the grill outdoors. That footage is not in this video because I don't want you guys to see me on the grill just yet. I'm trying to master it a little bit more, but I'll see you guys at the very end. Enjoy. Does that not look amazing? It's the details for me. So hopefully by now you've realized how hungry you are. Or if you weren't hungry before, I hope that you're going to run to the store to grab these same ingredients to make your tacos just like these. And I I do want to point out that on like a lot of my videos, you're not going to see like the grease dripping off the pan unless if I'm making bacon or something like that. But I am all for clean and healthy eating and a healthy lifestyle. So if you're all for that, then you should definitely subscribe to my channel and follow me because we're in the same boat. And I might be driving this boat, no I'm kidding. But feel free to follow me and look out for my next cooking video or just random content. You never know what it's going to be. But I'll see you guys next time. Enjoy and always just like be kind to everyone that you encounter. And I'll see you guys. Bye.